We could totally get more players.
No. I
in the
like
server,
the pain.
I'm gonna go.
Let's just stay mid.
It's A. It's A.
This is going to work out very well. Fuck! He checked that spot.
Right over here. You little bitch.
Oh!
Nice shot.
I did not see that, but I heard it. I love it.
Hey, there we go.
Get a lot of noise complaints, Axel.
No, surprisingly not.
You got some damn good neighbors there, fella.
Ben, what if I had had feelings?
Like emotions? I didn't realize you did that, Ron.
Oh, nice. Grab the op, please.
Oh, dumbass.
Thanks.
That was clean, but you almost did.
That's what's banging.
You really went in for that, huh?
Good job.
Yo!
Hey,
It's the guy!
what's up?
Get in the CSGO, dude.
Are
No questions.
We're
Get in.
CS-going.
Get in.
It's going well.
I don't care. You think I'm not naked? Get in CSGO, dude.
Brother, I never wear pants when I play Counter-Strike.
I never wear pants.
I don't wear pants anyways.
what you
Have you ever
guys?
seen him wear a shirt?
You guys are on at 11:43 on a school night.
Dude, that's how
One
we
minute.
met. What do you mean?
I mean that's
on.
fair. I would love to play, but really, I just came down here because my charger was at my desk, and then I saw that
Just
my
drop
PC.
out of school. What are you talking about?
What is this
fuck
one
out of
I'm
school?
doing?
Are you crazy?
Oh,
Yeah.
that
Got
happens.
some, well, it'll be before, like, tomorrow afternoon that we get off.
Yeah.
So you can't keep us waiting too long.
But
Mine's
if
like
not,
61.
it's nice talking to you guys. I think about you guys all the time, and nobody's ever in here.
Dude, I don't stop thinking
One
about
minute.
you, pal. Yeah.
You know, Knaxel, I
What's
always
up?
see your snaps.
Oh,
your
that's
story.
true. I do have the
And-
Snapchat.
I'm like, hey, I know that guy.
Yeah, dude, that's true. We know each other.
Yeah.
There's a guy Palace.
It's not.
It's not
It's
valid.
definitely a guy
Yeah.
Palace. All right, buddy. Be slick.
Bye bye.
Be slimy.
Oh, you
Oh.
know.
Oh. Alright, flashing. Oh, double flash. Alright, that works.
I mean, we don't need flashes. I am the flash. See? I wonder if they know that they can kick one another.
Yeah, honestly.
You know you can kick each other.
Oh, you really just want to see the world burn. don't you?
This will be fun. Come on, Ben.
This horse is so
How
dead.
you doing?
Fine, how are
How's
you?
your? Oh, my day's going great. Day's going pretty good. I'm just cool.
Oh, I know
Hi,
where he
Snow.
is.
How you doing?
Hey! Hope you're doing alright
Oh,
now.
I don't actually know where he is.
This
That's
guy.
unfortunate.
What?
He's AFK. Hold on.
Hey, you want your bomb? Oh no! Give him. Give him.
Give him the
There you go.
Let's win, let's
I have a
win,
Zeus, I have a
let's win.
Zeus, I have a Zeus, I have a Zeus.
Hey, yeah.
I got a Zeus, guys.
I'm looking at your balls.
I'm real happy. I'm sorry. I'm in.
If he killed you, I was about to shit. Roblox experience. Currently, it's free, but
Dude, I love Roblox. I got so much Robux from scamming little kids.
Exactly. Well, we have a timeout already. This is it's unfortunate.
That happens when you're missing someone.
you reached down my
Imagine.
knees to go into the throat and tore those wounds right out of it. That was beautiful.
I got a gun.
Alright.
Yeah.
Alright, guys, I'm probably gonna buy, so.
You got a gun.
Let's do it.
Oh no.
No, you got a gun.
No.
Oh, I got
Anyone
a
got a gun?
gun. Snow doesn't let me play with the guns.
Yeah, I'll,
I'm just waiting here on B.
Looks
Patient,
like there's some mid.
just playing with my toes while I wait.
Two little piggy
Oh, there's
wiggies.
two here.
Think, Marcus? Oh no, go ahead.
They bamboozled us. They got us good.
Yeah, man, I'm pretty stumped. I don't know what to do next.
This is a problem. Oh.
Juggalo.
Hmm.
I see through that makeup, man. Yes, sir.
I bought a big gun.
Yes, sir. Yes, doctor. But drugs aren't cool.
Would you like me to prescribe you some CSGO performance enhancers?
Alright, they flash me.
Yes, actually. I could go for an Adderall prescription.
They smoked mid.
You sell them by the ounce or the gallon?
Nah, we're professional. We got the pills, got the milligrams, and whatnot.
Flashing.
22 on.
Oh, right over your shoulder. Oh.
You're so good. Family.
Yo, nice. That flashed me really good.
Hey, he's got 25 HP.
No, fuck, I had 69 on this guy.
You got an 80. Doctor.
Give him some medicine.
What? That's so
Don't let
funny.
me alarm you. He has an M4 now?
I'm very alarmed.
You almost fell off the building. Oh my god.
I have
Doctor,
no
this-
idea where he's gonna be, boys.
Right there.
Okay,
You're fucking nuts, Doctor.
I could buy
That's
you.
my official diagnosis.
Dude, I'm crazy. Knows me though.
That's like what every doctor wants to hear after surgery. Like fucking head nurse. You're nuts, doctor.
That was. Oh,
Doctor, get on my head. It'll give you additional height. Let's do a run boost.
Yeah, it's a.
Alright.
perfect run boost.
We're kind of crazy. Don't have time, Marcus.
No.
We have time.
You're on a crunch. You have 20 seconds.
We don't have
Yeah,
time.
alright. He's lit 22.
You have 10 seconds.
He's following me.
Axel, you think you can buy me something, or?
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Thank you. Appreciate it. I know you love to.
The doctor protect.
Clyde, you got a good goblin voice you could do?
Oh no.
What do you
Define goblin.
Like a kind of thing, you know?
guys? They're planting the bomb on P right now.
Ohana means
That was so clean, bro.
family.
Oh yeah. Was that Stitch?
Yeah, bro. Yo, you got any
an alien.
impressions, doctor?
I'm a doctor. Just a doctor.
That one.
Oh.
I think there's more, but
Hey, where they at?
mid.
You think
Flash
they're
me?
mid?
Marcus, get on my head.
Ugh. Everyone's here. Next.
He's on P.
Alright, this might be cause for alarm. Alrighty, good try, good try. That's alright,
Yeah,
that's
even the
Set
alright.
up.
doctor can't patch that up. I think a full op squad is in order. I think that's the
I
game plan.
agree.
I think we should all sit on one site and kill all of them.
I will go mid too.
Juggalos, stand on my head.
Alright.
It is time for real men to be born.
Oh no. Alright.
They're
So-
going the other way. Let's all right, Marcus.
Yeah, let's get on each other's
This way.
side cinematic.
All right, we've got this area under control.
Wholeheartedly.
Oh, fuck.
Then
That's the person.
Doctor, are you there?
I think I got
What
it
happened
fixed.
to the doctor?
Huh?
Doc?
Yeah, well,
Oh, he's here.
He's made his
Doctor?
yeah.
Doctor.
Well, wait.
Oh no, Doctor. We had 3 players, and now we have 0 players.
I
Yeah, like that.
Yeah, like
got dicked on. I don't play games.
Fuck! Oh, I keep getting ass raped.
Keep getting dicked on.
God, no.
Dick going on, and it's not. It's on you.
It don't fit.
It's not your
Don't
dick
fit.
on them.
oh come
Why
on.
the dick don't fit?
Guys, we need to just punish them. Or we
Isn't going
lose.
so well.
I got my Ziggy with me.
I got my XM.
Yeah, I got an XM, but it's a Ziggy. Which is also a 21 Savage
Guys are
calls
just
guns.
sitting in the porta potties.
That's so inspiring,
Isn't it? I keep that Ziggy with me.
isn't it?
You should have a
Zeus.
Zeus.
Mad
I love the way
Max.
this man says words.
And I
Both
got
of them
Billy
need to have a
with me.
Zeus, you know?
True poetry.
That'd be funny.
Slowly though, so they don't hear.
Alright, should we leave?
No.
Okay.
One's pushing, I think, Ben.
All right.
Ben. Alright, that's you in 1 second. Alright, I'm here.
Oh, there's Jack the Ripper. He's back there.
Oh. I wasn't paying attention.
Dude, he let me flat. Fine. I can't wait to get a noise complaint.
Oh my goodness. Just mowed it on him.
I did a bit of flossing on him.
Oh no.
Fortnite Travis Scott is my dad.
No way,
Get
Ariana Grande.
flossed on.
Yes,
sir.
It's so good.
Ah, beautiful fucking gameplay, brothers.
Hey.
That was a great game. That was a really good game.
Yeah,
Thank you for
that was a really fun game.
To the subway.
I'm gonna go to bed. I'll see you later.
Bye bye.
I take it back. He's getting the dirty tramp roll. Alright.
What?
Hey, big guy.
What's up? What? Is it because I have an anime profile picture?
Yeah, dude.
That's a fucking
Wait, can you see chat history?
Yeah, he can see everything. I give
yeah,
him the
yeah,
dumb
yeah,
fucking
yeah.
stupid employee role, so...
Oh shit. It's the weirdest chat history.
Fuck is the server?
This is the subway,
Subway.
so welcome to your new job.
Oh,
Yeah.
really?
It started as just pictures of Jared Fogle, but it's slowly evolved.
Right.
Yeah,
I hear your mouse wheel scrolling through the vast amounts of Jared.
we had quite the evening.
You don't,
I'm
you don't
proud to
wanna
be a
get
dirty
on-
tramp, though. Does that get me free food?
It makes your name
Well,
black.
what do you consider food?
I'm afraid to ask what you would consider a food substitute. Okay.
Yeah, Jared Fogle consumed a lot of porn, but he certainly was a producer.
Gotcha.
We have a lot of... We need to get rid of it. We have jars of the shit. It's really a problem.
It's really getting out of hand.
It's
That silo's full, man.
It started opening the containers by itself. It's really fucked, man.
It's terrible.
It's just jars of cum.
Yeah,
Really
just
appreciate
like,
it, man.
sandwiches.
Yeah, it's like we do sandwiches, yeah. Well, this interview's gone really great.
Oh, this is an interview.
Yeah, we
Yeah, I got
the
you.
job.
Pop interview.
It's like a pop quiz.
Gotcha.
You don't get to leave the job. It's sort of a permanent unpaid internship.
I kind of figured that.
Yeah,
It's
we
a
don't have
cult.
enough-
It's a cult.
We are going
Well,
to
what's
harvest
actually
more.
really great about that is
Exactly.
I was kind of I've been like in between cults.
I was like that for so long, man, until I made this. Gaming. We do that sometimes. You're welcome to join when we game.
Yeah, for sure. Just message me or anything if y'all are ever playing CS:GO. If